Before we get started using Ceramic Pro Care, I want to go over what we believe are the best washing methods available. So first, let's look. We have a 2-bucket system here. So the reason why we're using 2 buckets is one will have soap and one will be used to clean your wash media. You can use the 2-bucket system with either a standard garden hose or with a pressure washer. We'll go over both. And wash media is like the mitt or thing that you use to actually wash the surface. So Ceramic Pro has pink towels. We feel that these towels are not only good for drying the car, applying the Ceramic Pro Care, but you can also use them as your wash mitt because they're extremely soft and you can wash them over and over again in your washer and dryer. We'll go over that in 1 second as well. And should you decide that you don't want to use the 2-bucket method, you can also wash at home using a rinseless wash. Simply get a pump sprayer like this from any home improvement store. You fill in your rinseless wash, spray it on, wipe it off. Again, we'll go over that in 1 second. And last but not least, of course, you can take the car through a touchless car wash, which can be found in many places throughout your city. So let's go over all the washing techniques. So the first wash method we're going to go over is the 2-bucket system using your standard garden hose. So again, we have one bucket here with no soap in it, one bucket with soap in it. And we're using a Ceramic Pro pink towel as our wash media. So simply pre-rinse the car. And what you'll see when you have Ceramic Pro on it is the car will bead like this. It rinses very easily, very hydrophobic. Next, take your wash media with the soap on it. Soap the car. Now if your vehicle is very dirty and you're picking up a lot of debris on your towel, that's the reason for the 2-bucket system. You go into the bin here with no soap. You can even use your grit card here, clean off your wash towel, rinse it, and back into the soapy water, which should have no debris in it, and then back to the vehicle. Then, again, into the no soap bucket, simply rinse off the soap. The next wash method we're going to talk about is the pressure washer method, also using a 2-bucket system. So you have your wash bucket with no soap in it, a wash bucket with soap in it. Again, you can agitate your soap a little bit. And keep in mind, in both of these buckets, we have a grit guard. So all of your debris falls to the bottom. Using the pressure washer, simply pre-rinse the area. Rinse off your wash media. Back into the clean bucket with the soap. Start from the top and work your way down. And you'll see the towel picked up some dirt. Take the towel, rinse it in the clean bucket, place it back in the soapy bucket, and you should be able to effortlessly spray off the soap. The next washing technique that we're going to show is the rinseless wash method. In this method, you use a rinseless wash solution, mix it with water, simply spray it on the surface. Even on a dirty surface, this wash method can be used. You simply spray it on until you have very good even coverage. And once again, work from top to bottom. Use our pink Ceramic Pro towels. In the washless method, rinseless method, you wipe. Check your towel to see if it's dirty. If it's not, you can continue to wipe? If it is, simply flip it. If your towel continues to get dirty, simply flip it like this. And then come back with a secondary towel and gently wipe the excess. Until dry. That is the rinseless wash method.